If you are going to do HRT, hormone replacement therapy, it's important that we're imitating what's actually natural in our body. My name's Dr. Gabrielle Francis, and welcome to my series, Empowered Menopause. In this episode, I'm going to talk about different strategies of HRT and how to use them at different times and keep them in balance with your natural hormones. Let's do it. Now that HRT is such a big conversation, I see many ways that people are using it, and some of them I don't really agree with. As you know, when you move into menopause, your body is producing 20% of the hormones that it had before, and that's coming from the thyroid and the adrenals. And many women aren't producing those hormones, and so they can benefit from some HRT. My philosophy is if you are safe to take HRT and you've ruled out the history of breast cancer and the family history of breast cancer, then you may be able to take that 20% of hormones just to keep you in that 20% range. And then you're working on the thyroid and the adrenals, and you stay on the HRT until your body is producing it naturally. Now, there's a lot of people using HRT in more of the anti-aging circles, and they'll have women in their 60s and 70s taking hormone replacement at the level of somebody in their 20s. Personally, I don't agree with that. And a lot of these women are getting periods, and it's like if you test them, their hormones are like somebody in their 20s. We really weren't designed for that. We don't need those high levels because we're not prepping for a baby every month. If you are going to use HRT, I recommend that you ask your doctor to keep you in that 20% normal range, and also be monitoring your hormone levels yearly through blood work, and also monitoring your breast and your ovaries and your uterus to make sure that there's no reason why you shouldn't be taking these hormones.